Hello my friends and welcome to this half Turkish get up tutorial. If this is your first time attempting a half Turkish get up, I recommend doing it without a weight to begin with before progressing to it with a weight. Begin by lying down on your side facing the kettlebell with your arms in close to your body. From here, hook the hand nearest the kettlebell through the handle and then place your second hand on top. Now holding it with both hands, roll back so you're lying on your back on the floor. From here, set your opposite leg at a 45-degree angle. Next, press the kettlebell, ensuring you're maintaining a straight wrist. To transition from this to the seating position, push down and through the foot of your bent leg and your opposite arm to come up onto your elbow. Then from here, push up off your elbow and onto your hand, extending the triceps and locking this out. As you do, make sure your shoulder remains packed. Now practice reversing each of these steps. If you're ready to move on to the full Turkish get up, do check out our tutorial on that. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, subscribe to the channel and have a great day.